Hello there. So you wanna know how you can simply go ahead and create Alibaba account? This is gonna be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and search for Alibaba or .com on any browser that you prefer. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on sign in on the top right hand side of your screen. For me, I already had an account, so it just logged in, but let me just show you how you can go ahead and create an account. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the or hover on the sign in button. You can either continue with your Facebook, your Google, your LinkedIn, and when you are on their site, there's also going to be a button called create account. So simply go ahead and click on that. Once you've done that, here is where you can also continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with LinkedIn, or just simply go ahead and enter your email address and click on continue. Then they're going to let you go ahead and create a password, and you'll have to verify your email when they send you a code to that email that you've used in order to create an account. Simply go ahead and enter that code back and your account will be ready. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.